Welcome to the Manufactured Housing Division. In our continued effort to promote self-compliance through education, this video will explain how to report a manufactured home installation. Let's start off by looking at the reporting requirements. For each installation completed, the installer must submit a notice of installation with the required fee to the department no later than 7 days after which the installation is completed, but not later than 3 days for installers with a provisional license. Now, this reporting can be accomplished two different ways. It can be filed electronically from our website, or it can be manually filed with a hard copy. In this video, we will show you how to file electronically. It's fast, easy, and you can pay with a credit card. To do this, go to the department's website at www.tdhca.state.tx.us and click on the blue Manufactured Housing tab. Go to the left side of the page under Division Links and click on the Online Transactions link. Under the heading Installations, click on the Reporting and Installation link. This will bring you to the online submission page. After reading the overview as well as the submission and payment instructions, click Submit Notice of Installation. This will bring you to the login page. Enter your license number and license expiration date. If you've forgotten or you're unsure of your license number or expiration date, both are printed on your license. Next, select the new Form T button and then fill in all of the fields regarding the installation. One common misconception that we often hear is that a notice of installation doesn't need to be filed if you're only releveling a home. This is not true. A notice of installation must be filed anytime you install, reinstall, relevel, or make any minor adjustments to the installation of a manufactured home. Make sure you select the installation method to which the home is being installed. New homes must be set to either the manufacturer's instructions or to a special foundation system approved by an engineer. Used homes can also be installed to these methods, but may also be set to state generic standards or a stabilization system registered with the department. When you finish completing the form, click on the Save button. Next, at the top of the page, click the Add to Cart button. If you would like to add more Form Ts, click on the new Form T button and repeat the previous steps. When you are finished adding all of your Form Ts, click on the Checkout button. This will bring you to the payment screen where you will select the payment type. Click on the Continue button to review the list of Form Ts. Next, click the Continue button to proceed to the payment screen. Complete your information and then click the Next button. Next, enter your payment information. The fee is $75 for the first section of the home and $25 for each additional section. So $75 for a single wide, $100 for a double wide, and $125 for a triple wide. Please be advised that there is a small transaction fee to file and pay online. Once your payment information is entered, click Next. Enter the verification code and click Submit Payment. This will bring you to your payment receipt confirmation. You should print this receipt for your records. This concludes our video on how to report a manufactured home installation electronically. We hope it's been beneficial. If you have any questions regarding the reporting of installations or your responsibilities as an installer, please visit our website at www.tdhca.state.tx.us or give us a call at 877-313-3023. We look forward to serving you.